Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments, the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Hbar chart. And before I start the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.59 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, on the long-term scenarios, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside at the Fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.9579 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do on the long-term scenarios. And getting to the short-term scenarios, starting here on the daily chart, by first taking a look at a chart pattern that we have information over here, which is a falling channel, that is a descending channel that is supposed to give us a breakout to the upper side. That is after managing to break above the 20-day MA, which gave us support that we needed for us to continue pushing even higher. And you can see we have seen the breakout out of the channel to the upper side, and whatever I'm expecting next after seeing the breakout is a retest of the upper side of the channel, and that can be better seen on the lower time frames. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher, and this move might be the start of that impulsive movement that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3. And jumping to the 1 hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.0356 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And this is an Elliot wave structure that I had shown you in my previous videos, and in this video I want to make a few adjustments to this Elliot wave structure where I can have an even more bullish movement here on the Hbar chart, where we can term this first movement over here as a 1-2 setup. So we can have that as a 1-2 setup, and after finishing the 1-2 setup, whatever we are seeing right here is another 3 wave, that is a 5 wave structure to the upside, where we can have the Elliot wave structures having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, then we in the formation of this wave 3 before we see a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.0585 mark. And that means there are chances that whatever we are seeing right here on the Hbar chart is just the start of the formation of this wave 3. Higher prices are still coming our way, and I'm still expecting Hbar to continue gearing up and fully maximize the fib level 1.618 in the formation of this wave 3 before we see a retracement in a wave 4, then expect a wave 5, and then fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 in the formation of this wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term and the long-term scenarios, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 73 mark, meaning we have a bit of room for us to support any movements to the upper side before we get into the overbought region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have printed a bullish cross, but we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the buying momentum, meaning soon we might be able to print that bearish cross and maybe see a bit of a retracement before continuing to push even higher to fully maximize the formation of this wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.